Hey, you guys. We are out here at Vivero Growers on our property, and we just wanted to show you some of the stuff that we have growing out here, totally unkept naturally, and still looking great. This is a big part of how we choose what we are going to propagate and grow at our nursery. Texas is a huge place, so just because it is a Texas native, you still want to plant things that are going to do well in your area of Texas. So this is our property. We've got some gorgeous Blackfoot Daisy here. Again, unkept and thriving. So this is one that we do grow at our nursery. Here we have some Blackfoot Daisy growing again along with some foreigner daisy. So whenever we're ready, we might come out here, get some cuttings, and bring them back to the nursery to propagate them and grow them. There are so many different varieties of milkweed, which is the monarch host plant. I'm sure that you've seen this one around though. This has a white bloom. It is the Antelope Horns Milkweed, and it is growing around everywhere out here. Here is another one that we grow, the Zexmenia, that does great out here, obviously. Here we have our frostweed everywhere doing great. And if you haven't seen what these do in the wintertime, definitely check out our video because they are very cool. Another one that does great here, the Texas native Lantana. And we have another antelope horn. And here we have our Prairie Verbena, as well as there, and over there. Here we have some Zexmenia growing. A lot of people will use these as full sun plants because they can take full sun, but as you can see, they can also do shade. All right, we are back here at the nursery from our other property, and we have some four nerve daisy cuttings that we're going to be making a tray of, and that is kind of how we do it here. So definitely come on in, check us out, and see what we've got growing. We've got a lot of good Texas natives. Thanks, you guys.